Hi, in this video, we will see local variables in Java. So what are local variables in Java? Local variables are defined within a method or constructor and blocks. So method we already discussed. So constructor also similar to method, but some changes are there, but high level we can say that is also one of the methods. And blocks means we have some loops and no if else blocks and while we will discuss all these things in our upcoming videos, but those blocks also inside that blocks also if you create any variable that is restricted to only that block. Okay, by taking one example we'll see scope of that variable is restricted to that method constructor and that block. Okay, you cannot use access modifiers for local variables. We have seen access modifiers like public, private, protected, all these things. These cannot be used for the local variables. These are temporary variables existing during the method execution. So the scope of that variable is inside the method. So whenever method is executing, these will get created, and once the method execution completed, these will be terminated. So these are called temporary variables with respect to the method execution. These are not accessible from the rest of the class. Okay, so you cannot use outside of that method. Okay, then we will see all these things by taking an example. Let's go to Visual Studio Code. So here I created one of the classes called local variables, and I created public static void main method. So let me create one method, public void local variables method, something like that. So what I'll do here, I'll create int a is equals to 10. I will initialize one integer variable. Okay, and I'll create one boolean b is equals to 2. Okay, so when you write something like this in this method, the scope of these variables in between these brackets only, these square brackets. Outside of these square brackets, you cannot use these two variables. Okay, so now I will try to print these. System.out.println a. Okay, and the same way I'll try to print b also. Okay. Now if I run this program, I will not see any output. Okay, the reason is, so these are, if you want to execute any method, that should be called from this main method. It will execute only main method. Main method is the starting point. Inside this, you need to call this method. Okay, how you'll call this method? If this is a static method, you can directly call. If it is not static, you need to create an object to your class. Okay, so local variables, I'll create an object. So let me run this one first. So I'm executing it from the command prompt. So, Java local variables dot Java. You see that nothing printed, but there is no error, means there are no errors, no issues, but nothing to print. The reason is, even though if you have system.out.println, but if you want to print these statements, you need to create an object to this class and call this method as this is not inside the main method. Okay, so let me create an object. So local variables is equals to new local variables. Okay, so this is called constructor, default constructor. Okay, so L dot local variables method. Okay, so I have written one method. Inside method I have two variables, and I'm printing those, and I calling this method using this class object. Okay, now let me execute the same thing here. Now you see that 10 and true were printed. A is 10, B equals to true. But if I want to use this A outside of this method, okay, I'll try to print the same thing, this one. Okay, this one I want to print here. Okay, so now if I want to print the same thing here, you will see what we will get. You see that error cannot find symbol, this A. So in this location, okay, so compilation failed. The reason is this is a local variable to this local variables method. You cannot access outside of this method. The scope of these two variables only inside this method. Okay. Now I will comment this code. Okay. And we discussed this one method and inside a block. Okay, block means I'll take one of the blocks called for loop. Okay, we'll normally use for loop for int I is equals to 0, I less than 1, I plus plus. So we will discuss what is for loop, how it will work, all these things in our upcoming videos. Just to show you that if this is a block, the scope of I is in between these two only. It is not even outside of this block, means inside the method also you cannot access. Okay, I'll try to print this. I will try to print A. I will try to print A, and at the same time I will try to print I. Okay, so we'll mention to see the inside the block. Okay, just to see difference where it is exactly executing. Okay, so now if you try to execute, okay, we already created the object for this method. If you try to execute, you will see what happens. You see that inside the block 10 is printing. This is the scope of this A is inside this method, means this block is also part of this method, right? So I can use this A inside this block. Okay, the reason is this block is also inside this method only, but this scope of this I is restricted to this block only. If I try to print the same thing outside that block, inside the same method, where we have written this block is inside this method, right? So inside the method only I'm writing this, I'm trying to access or print this I, even though it is not accessible. The reason is scope of this I is in between, means inside this block only. Okay, if you execute the same thing now, you will see that I cannot find symbol system.out.println inside the block I. So you cannot use this I. Okay, so that is what local variables to particular to this one. And one more thing we discussed, what is that? Constructor. Okay, constructor is also similar to method. Public, the name of the method should be same as your class name. Class name and if your method name both are same, this method is called constructor. Okay, this is constructor. This is method, and this is kind of block. Okay, so now inside this also I will write the same thing. Okay, I'll write the same thing, but instead of 10 you can take 10 also, no problem, but the same output you will get. But how this constructor will get executed, right? This method L dot local variables demo I'm calling, but what about this? So this will get executed when you create an object. Just with this line, if you create this line, it will automatically will get executed. Okay, no need to call explicitly like how we call this method. Okay, so if you execute the same thing now, You see that 10 true, 10 true. Why 10 two times? One is from this method, one is from the constructor. Okay. And another, these things are from the block. All right. So this is how these things will work. Right. And one more thing. So if I try to put public int I, okay, public int I, and okay, so if you try to execute this, is that you are getting so many errors. So public illegal start of expression. This is illegal. Error identifier expected, something like that. Okay. So this is not needed. Not needed means you are not allow. Okay. So if I execute the same thing, I change it from public to private, still you will get the same error. The reason is for local variables, modifiers are not applicable. The reason is we know the scope of this is inside this only. Why to mention all these things? The purpose of putting modifiers is you need to mention the scope. Means private means inside this class only. If you write it outside of the method. Okay. If it is public, private, protected, whatever it is, the scope is inside this method only. Then no need to mention explicitly which modifier you want. Right. So because of that, it will not allow. So this is all about local variables. Right. We create a local variable in the method, in the constructor, in the block, and these modifiers will not applicable for the what? These local variables. Okay. So if you go back to the slide, you see that cannot use access modifiers. These are temporary variables, means inside the method you will access. Scope of that variable is restricted to that method, constructor, and block. So we have seen all these things. Okay. So what could be the possible interview questions from this video? What is variable in Java? High level question. So inside that, people may ask, what is local variable? Can you tell me what are the properties of local variable? So you can say that is restricted to your method, constructor, block. You cannot use outside the method, and you cannot use these modifiers to the local variables. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you.